In this video, I am going to show you how to track your fiber intake in MacroFactor. So, tracking your fiber intake is straightforward and can help you optimize, example, your health and overall nutrition. So, how to view your daily fiber intake? Once you open the app as example, and you go to your food log. Here's an example, you'll be able to access the neutral or nutrition overview. So if you go and click at the top option here, of course, that's assuming that you add everything that you take. So as example, at 5 a.m. at the moment, I add two stuff here, some custom food and an apple. Of course, for you, make sure to do the same. Every single hour that you eat, you'll have to add what you ate it here. Now, once you do so, you can go as example here, and you will see how much calories you're eating, how much protein, how much fats, how much carbs, and also how much fiber. As you can see here, you'll be able to see the fiber. And as you can see for me, I ate 39% of the fiber that I need in this day, today. So I'll still have to eat some to finish an example to at least be of course at the level that I want. Of course, here I'll be able also to see the whole week, of the full month, of 3 months, and also of a year. So what I take during this whole year and stuff. So this is how I can see the fiber intake in MacroFactor. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.